ओके, गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट, मैं सुभाष सर स्वागत करता हूँ आप सबका आपके अपने चैनल सुभाष सर फाउंडेशन बायोलॉजी में। यहाँ पर हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं क्लास 10 का हाउ द ऑर्गेनिज्म रिप्रोड्यूस, ये चैप्टर्स। इस चैप्टर में हमने पिछले बार देखा था इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन। आज हम देखेंगे असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन का फर्स्ट टाइप, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज बाइनरी फिशन ऑफ अमीबा। So here binary fission of amoeba, binary fission of amoeba. अब ये बाइनरी फिशन ऑफ अमीबा क्या है? बाइनरी का मीनिंग क्या होता है? टू। फिशन का मीनिंग होता है डिवीजन, टू डिवीजन, टू डिवीजन, बाइनरी फिशन, टू डिवीजन ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनिज्म। अब ऑर्गेनिज्म के क्या हो जाना? दो डिवीजन हो जाना। एग्जांपल है इसका, द ऑर्गेनिज्म which have ability or capability to develop two individual. The organism which have ability or capability to develop two individual, two daughter cell. The organism which have ability or capability to develop two daughter cells, that is called as the binary fission. बट ये बाइनरी फिशन अब ऑर्गेनिज्म में ही होगा, लिविंग थिंग्स में ही होगा, बिकॉज सेल में न्यूक्लियस प्रेजेंट होता है और जब न्यूक्लियस में स्प्लिटिंग होगा तभी जाकर क्या हो जाएगा? बाइनरी फिशन होगा। अभी बाइनरी फिशन में स्पेशली एग्जांपल फर्स्ट हम यहाँ पर देखेंगे अमीबा। अभी अमीबा एग्जांपल, ये अमीबा क्या है? अमीबा इज अ लैटिन वर्ड। ये क्या है? ये लैटिन वर्ड है। इसका मीनिंग होता है टू चेंज, हमेशा बदलने वाला। और द अमीबा वर्ड फर्स्ट टाइम यूज बाय एंटन लीवेनवॉक is the person first time used the amoeba word in year 1657. So amoeba, अब amoeba is what? That are the aquatic organism. ये क्या है? ये aquatic organism है। Aquatic, the organism which present in water, ऐसा organism जो पानी में present होता है, that is the aquatic organism. अब अमीबा एक्वेटिक है, अमीबा यूनिसेलुलर है, यूनिसेलुलर, वन सेलुलर सेल, वन सेल। The organism which have single cell, the organism which presents single cell, that is called as the unicellular organism. The organism which have single cell, that is called as the यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म। और अमीबा भी एक यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म है। उसके बाद एग्जांपल है पैरामेशियम, एग्जांपल है यूग्लिना, एग्जांपल है ईस्ट सेल, एग्जांपल है बैक्टीरिया। अब बैक्टीरिया का एग्जांपल कोई भी एक एग्जांपल, फॉर एग्जांपल सुडोमोनास ऑरिगनोसा, इर्शेरेशिया कोलाई, E. coli. So these are the organism, they are the unicellular. अब यूनिसेलुलर में क्या होता है? बाइनरी फिशन होता है। स्पेशली हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर बाइनरी फिशन ऑफ अमीबा, द ऑर्गेनिज्म विच हैव एबिलिटी और कैपेबिलिटी टू डेवलप टू इंडिविजुअल और टू डॉटर सेल, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द बाइनरी फिशन। अब बाइनरी फिशन एंटन लीवेनवॉक ने इसको डिस्कवर किया ईयर 1657 में। ये यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म है जो वाटर में प्रेजेंट होता है, इसलिए हमने लिखा इसको एक्वेटिक ऑर्गेनिज्म। अब हम देखेंगे इनमें बाइनरी फिशन होता कैसे है। हियर सपोज दिस आर द अमीबा नॉट हैविंग द फिक्स शेप, अमीबा को कोई फिक्स शेप नहीं होता। दिस आर द अमीबा। अब अमीबा में क्या होता है? न्यूक्लियस होता है, दिस आर द न्यूक्लियस। और ये जो अमीबा है, जब ये यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म, इनमें सारे ऑर्गेनल प्रेजेंट होंगे, तो यहाँ पर ये जो न्यूक्लियस है, ये जो न्यूक्लियस है, इस न्यूक्लियस में क्या होगा, इस न्यूक्लियस में क्या होगा, द न्यूक्लियस टेक प्लेस द डिवीजन, न्यूक्लियस टेक प्लेस द डिवीजन, न्यूक्लियस they follow the karyokinesis, nucleus they follow the karyokinesis. Karyokinesis, what is their meaning? Karyokinesis meaning what? Karyo meaning what? Nucleus. Kinesis meaning what? Division. Nucleus division. So in amoeba, unicellular amoeba, they follow the karyokinesis. Karyo, their meaning is what? Karyo meaning what? Nucleus. Kinesis meaning what? Division. Nucleus division, that is called as the karyokinesis. So amoeba take place followed by the karyokinesis, means what? The nucleus divide into the two daughter nuclei or two nuclei. So here amoeba start to the some changes. So here amoeba they are occur like this structure. अभी amoeba यहाँ पर कुछ ऐसे structure में आपको दिखाई देगा. These are the amoeba. Or their nucleus they start to the enlarge. First amoeba karyokinesis occur, resulting what happens, the nucleus they start to the splitting, and then the nucleus they look like this structure. And after this karyokinesis, the nucleus follow the cytokinesis, or the cell follow the cytokinesis. Cyto means what? Cell. Kinesis meaning what? Division. Cell division, that is called as the karyokinesis. So here this amoeba they split with the cell also and nucleus also, and they amoeba look like this structure. These are the one amoeba, these are the again one amoeba. So here the nucleus is separating. First amoeba, unicellular organism, they follow the karyokinesis. Karyo means what? Nucleus division. After nucleus division, the nucleus start to the splitting, and such a nucleus, if they start to the splitting, they follow the cytokinesis. Cytokinesis is what? Cell. Kinesis division, cell division, and they form the two daughter nuclei or two daughter amoeba, or amoeba is a immortal because it is not die. So this is the first binary fission. So when we writing the definition, the parent divided two daughter cell. Parent divided two daughter cell. So here parent amoeba, and here two daughter cell. Here one daughter cell, and these are the second daughter cell. Parent divided two daughter cell, that is called as the binary fission of amoeba or any organism. Now amoeba is not having the fixed shape. So how it is possible? Which kind of binary fission is possible? A binary fission, there are also the three type. They are also the three type. First is a binary fission of amoeba. Here amoeba is not a particular of the fixed shape. So such a kind of binary fission, or this kind of binary fission, that is called as the simple binary fission. That is called as the simple binary fission. Simple binary fission is what? The amoeba can't have the definite and particular structure, so that's why such a division is take place, and it is called as the simple binary fission of amoeba. But organism example paramecium, but the organism paramecium, this paramecium also the unicellular organism, they also contain the two kind of nucleus, and one are the larger nucleus, they help in the metabolic activity, and one of the smallest nucleus, they help in the reproductive process. And such a paramecium, they follow the transfer section or transfer, they are split into the transversely. Transversal binary fission. Transversal binary fission. So this paramecium, they follow the transversal binary fission. Example again, unicellular means euglena, they also follow the one kind of one euglena. And euglena is a unicellular organism, and such organism, they follow the longitudinal binary fission. Longitudinal binary fission. So paramecium, they follow the transverse binary fission, and euglena, they follow the longitudinal binary fission. So here the binary fission of amoeba is a simple binary fission, then paramecium occur the transverse binary fission, and euglena occur the longitudinal binary fission. So this is the three basic type of the binary fission. And now the binary fission is always followed by the multiple fission. This binary fission is followed by the multiple fission. Multiple fission. The word multiple fission means what? That are the many division. That are the many division. Multiple many fission division. Multiple many division, the organism which are divided into the many cell or many nuclei, or the organism which have ability or capability to prepare the numerous species of similar kind of organism. Here many division. So here definition, the organism which have ability or capability, the organism which have ability or capability, the organism which have ability to divide multiple in number. What is their example? Their example is a plasmodium. That is mosquitoes. And second example is amoeba. So first, the organism which have ability or capability to divide multiple in number, that is called the plasmodium and the amoeba. So here we discuss about the plasmodium and amoeba, their multiple fission. In amoeba, especially in unfavorable condition. What is the meaning of unfavorable condition? The condition which is not actually यूजफुल फॉर द रिप्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस. ऐसी कंडीशन जिसमें रिप्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस होता ही नहीं है या रिप्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस के लिए पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. द कंडीशन विच इज इम्पॉसिबल इन रिप्रोडक्शन इवेंट और प्रोसेस. सो इन अमीबा अनफेवरेबल कंडीशन, in amoeba unfavorable condition, they making the pseudopodia for capturing the food. So here in unfavorable condition, this unicellular amoeba, they prepare the one of the layer around the protoplasm. So in unicellular organism, amoeba in unfavorable condition, or the condition which is not useful for the reproduction process. So in such a situation, the amoeba, they are prepare the one of the layer around the protoplasm. They are prepare the one of the layer around the protoplasm, and such a protective layer is called as the cyst. Such a protective layer is called as the cyst. In unfavorable condition, amoeba develop the layer around the protoplasm, and such a layer that is called as the cyst layer. And this cyst, inside this cyst, like a nucleus having, and this nucleus, they showing the number of multiple division of nucleus inside the cyst. So here what happened, during the unfavorable condition, amoeba, they develop the nucleus, they develop the cyst layer around the protoplasm, and this inside this protoplasm have the nucleus, because nucleus is the brain of cell, and this nucleus, they showing the inside of this cyst, they are start to the dividing multiple time, they start to the dividing number of time, and here they are making the such a kind of structure. They are making the such kind of number of numerous nucleus, resulting what happen, this nucleus is formed, number of nucleus is formed at the time of favorable condition, because unfavorable condition is gone, and if the favorable condition is came, that time what happen, this cyst start to the rupturing, and they release this amoeba. This is start to the rupturing, and they start to release such amoeba or such a nucleus outside the environment, and if they are releasing such a nucleus or such a small nucleus present inside this cyst, this is called as the amoeboids. Amoebules. This is called as the amoebules or amoeboid. So reason what happened, here the single amoeba or unicellular amoeba, they are prepare the number of amoebules. So such a kind of reproduction, that is called as the multiple fission, and they are also occur in a plasmodium, and such a reproduction also occur in the amoeba. So this is the one of the most important detailed process of binary fission of amoeba and multiple fission of amoeba also and plasmodium also. So this is one of the things, and Kala Azhar is also disease, they are capable for such a kind of reproduction. Now next process, that is called as the fragmentation, and such a process that is called as the fragmentation. Next process, fragmentation, and this fragmentation process, they are occur into the spirogyra, and such process we have to discuss tomorrow's lecture as possible. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. Thank you.